So what is Agile designed to do? Let me give you the key principles, the pillars of this philosophy. Well, the first thing is speed. If you look at any Agile project or any of the sub-methods underneath, such as Scrum, you will realize very quickly that they're never 6 years. They're never 3 years. More likely, they are 3 months. So 3 to 6 months gives us plenty of time to knock out a very innovative software, but fast enough so that it's still relevant. So speed is a key pillar of the Agile approach. Secondly, customer satisfaction is key. We are happy to embrace changing requirements within Agile, even if it's late in the day. You encourage feedback from the customer. In fact, you involve them all the way through the process. The other thing is, you've got to be happy with creating frequent pieces of working software in a short time scale. So rather than creating this one great big masterpiece at the end, which may not be relevant anymore, you create small working prototypes that the users can play around with and then feedback. You must also ensure that the business and the development teams communicate with each other all the time as a result. So in this way, Agile creates an environment of motivated people who are into face-to-face communication, and then progress and change is encouraged. Success in Agile is measured by working software rather than the ability to follow a particular pathway on a project. In the Agile environment, you create a process of sustainable development and a cycle that never really stops. You keep improving the design and you improve the processes wherever possible. And you encourage the creation of self-organizing teams, and you make sure that those teams are self-reflective so that they can constantly tune their own approaches and behavior. So it's much more fluid than the old way of working.